Hello, my name is Ilina SCHILERU and I'm curating the exhibition of Romanian Roma artist Eugen Raportoru, The Abduction from the SERAGLIO, which has an addendum about Roma women, performative strategies of resistance. Eugen Raportoru is a Romanian painter of Roma origin. He was born in 1961 and he was one of the most prominent painters in the country. Later in the autumn last year, we exhibited together with myself as a curator, and after we decided to enroll in a call for curators organized by the European Roma Institute for Arts and Culture, which finalized into a very happy, successful winning of this exhibition that we are presenting today, which will be starting on the 22nd of April 2022. So in just 3 weeks from now, in the frame of La Biennale, the Venice Biennale, and which is hosted at Istituto Veneto di Scienze, Lettere ed Arti. I would really like to congratulate Eugen on this amazing participation within the Biennale. And I would like to also a big thank you to all the women multidisciplinary artists, activists and intellectuals who have joined our exhibition as performers, which will make their personal contribution to this exhibition. So, a little bit about the concept of the exhibition, The Abduction from the SERAGLIO. It's actually the name of this carpet that you see behind me. It's an oriental carpet that was pretty common in the households of the 70s in Romania, but not only, in the southern eastern of Europe. And it is very much also a symbol of the Roma households in Romania and also elsewhere. So it depicts the abduction, a scene of an abduction, and it makes reference to Mozart's opera, The Abduction from the SERAGLIO, but we and Eugen has translated this concept of the abduction into a larger discussion about the Roma women, the other body. This discussion is going to be sustained with dialogues between the public and the activists, the Roma intellectuals that are invited to have conferences or to have a performance or an intervention or any action. This is still a surprise. I am not going to tell you very many details about it, but we do invite you to come into the exhibition, and you will be able to see video works of these interventions and a program that would be later on announced. So the scene behind me opens up this discussion about the Roma body, the other body, and you will find also in the exhibition a beautiful catalog that reunites positions and texts by Roma intellectuals as Delia Grigore from Romania and Ethel. It is, I think, a special event that marks also the fourth participation of a Roma exhibition within the Biennale. This being the second exhibition that ERIAC, the European Roma Institute for Arts and Culture, has organized. And also I would like to mark that it is the first solo show of a Roma artist, as Eugen Raportoru. The exhibition consists of 4 rooms once you get to Istituto Veneto. And you will be in the right room where we find ourselves today. We are still at the moment of the filming, we are still mounting the exhibition, but this setting is almost done. So in the right, once you enter the Institute, you will find this amazing installation with the depiction of the abduction from the Seraglio that is also on the cover of our catalog and on our front entrance. And I would like also to mark the presence of Romanian multidisciplinary artists and activists and intellectuals, as I said earlier. I would like to mention here Alina Șerban. She's a Roma-Romanian actress, and also Mihaela, Drăgan and Juglipen Theater that I personally really wanted to invite and feature them into this program of the exhibition here. Alongside these artists that I've mentioned and that I personally had the chance to encounter, there are also other names, important names that have worked in the past with ERIAC, and that will be visible here in a way or another. Either you find them with a text in the catalog, or you may find within the program of the exhibition an encounter, a conference, a talk, or so, or we will see. So the exhibition is comprised of 4 rooms. The main one with the abduction from the Seraglio, there is a middle one, the biggest one, that will hold the Roma MoMA books, the Roma MoMA library, which is an important aspect of this exhibition, as all the visitors entering the scene will be invited to interact themselves with the context of the exhibition, and will be invited to sit down on our pillows, on our chairs, on the bed, and consult and read from the Roma books library that you will find exactly at the scene in the second room. And the later room, the third room, is the kitchen room, where you will also find a very interesting setting that is very personal to Eugen Raportoru, the artist, and I will let you find it and discover it for yourselves. I will mention that the exhibition is commissioned by ERIAC, and I will also want to thank to Timea Junghaus and Jellico Jovanovic for their amazing support. Thank you.